Fucking
Oh.
Alright, I should be able to walk over there and grab it, right?
You'd think.
over here?
Yeah.
With a bird.
He's like, man, y'all not scaring me. Oh my, qualified. I wish a bird would find a door and fly out of here. I don't want to hurt him. I don't want
Hold on. What we doing?
I don't want him shitting on me. Nothing. Jonathan just cleaned his area up. You gonna grab him? You crazy, man. You ever hear the bird flew? See you bye. As soon as you go to grab him.
Oh, nice.
Good fucking bird catcher.
Ah.
Nice job, man. So free. Never get a tetanus shot. You saved that bird's life.
We gone.
Yep.
Saved his life. Awesome.
He's like, okay, I need to eat now.
That is so cool. Nice job.